Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We are checking out this ceiling fan that has remote and app capabilities to work with on your smartphone.
This fan was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. It was packaged so well. I was really impressed by the quality of the packaging and just how everything was just protected. And so everything arrived in one piece. Everything was included, all that you need. You will need your own tools, but this has the screws, the remotes, everything. The battery does not have a remote, so just keep that in mind. The blades are made of ABS heavy duty plastic type material, so they're great for all weather, indoors or outdoors. This is adjustable, so if you have a higher ceiling, it has a longer pole, or if you have a lower ceiling, it has a lower pole. Just make sure when you're changing out the poles that you line up the holes correctly so that the screws fit properly. The total installation time for this took between 30 minutes and an hour, and it's going to depend on if you already have an existing ceiling fan or not. But it was rather easy to install. The instructions were great, and we're just so happy with this.
Okay, you're going to add the app. The QR code is in the instruction book, which makes it really easy. Once that's done, you can control everything from your phone, which is awesome. So you can choose the tone of the light. If you want it more yellow, more warm tones. If you want it neutral, it's nighttime, you want it really dim. So you can do lots of different features on here. You can set a timer. You can do the wind speed. Oh, you've got to turn the fan on first. And then you can control the speed up here at the top. If you want it to go a little bit slower. If you want it to be quieter because it's nighttime. If you want to reverse the flow, whatever. This is just such a great fan. Love that you can use this with an app. And you can turn everything off. So this fan does come with a really great remote with all of the functionalities that you can do demonstrated on the app. You've got all the fan speeds here. Turn the fan on and off here in the middle. If you want it going forward or in reverse. If you want everything off. If you want just the light on or off. If you want it to beep or not beep, the mute button. If you want to set like a timer for it to turn off automatically after a certain amount of time. And then down here, you've got all your different lighting functions. This remote does take 2 AAA batteries, which were not included with the fan. I hope you and your home enjoy this fan as much as we do.